Robin McQueen.
There we
Yes,
go.
you guys. This just came in. We just opened it up for mail time the other day.
You're going to see it in a couple of weeks.
You're going to see it in a couple of weeks, but I got to show the banner.
You're going to see it now.
And we're going to show the banner, which we're also going to put on display in Motorama. Come and see his artwork.
This is incredible, folks.
This is really, talk about details. Look at this, you guys.
Robin
Look,
McQueen
look,
from
this
New
is,
Brunswick. Look what he made for Nick.
These are cars I've worked on and in front of my shop. Look at this, you guys. This is artwork. Look at the details. Look at that. Air Force decal, parking lot. Okay? Then we got the original plate to my Challenger. Then we got Mike's Hemikuda from Ontario. Then we got Theo's
With the license plate.
with a license plate. And we got Theo's Australia convertible Roadrunner.
Yep.
Then we got Eugene's Charger 500.
The details, folks.
Look at the details. It's exactly with the red lines.
And the sign in front of the shop that has the wrinkles in it and the stickers on it and everything.
And even the cameras on the corner of the building.
Yes, sir. Incredible eye for detail, this
Who
man.
would not be proud to display this
Of-
in their man cave, in their shop? This is beautiful.
This is beautiful. It is.
Beautiful.
It is.
Great job.
You did a beautiful job. Then we got Tim's car A12 from British Columbia.
There
Correct plate, correct colors, red line, and all.
Melissa just put the link up, folks. If you want to see Robin's work and maybe get some done of your own car,
Yes,
he might be convinced.
that's right. And you in Nova Scotia?
We get a shot of Nick's reaction to this too in New Brunswick. I
In
believe.
New Brunswick? That's right, New Brunswick, sorry. And look at my car. Look at this, you guys. Kawasaki. Look at that. No flip-top gas cap, Pentastar, Colorado license plate, 440 Magnum.
It's so expressive. It looks like
It
it's going
is.
to jump.
Then we did
Fantastic.
our original picture from Nick's garage. Originally, a long time ago, we had two cars in the shop. When we took a picture, it was a
That's right.
yellow TA and a green WR Cuda.
There they are.
And by the way, that looks like Johnny's Cuda, doesn't
That
it?
does look like John.
It sure does.
Minus
Same.
the wheels.
Yes, except for the wheels. But he's got the louvers, the vinyl top, the antenna in the back, 100%.
Correct front end.
Beautiful, beautiful work.
So all these cars are all being associated to my shop, all here in Nick's garage.
And you can look the gentleman up again one more time. His name is Robin McQueen.
Robin
And
McQueen.
The name of his website is automolove.ca.
There you have it, you guys. And let me tell you, he does a lot of crazy artwork. He does a lot of Mopars, but he also does GM, Ford, and whatever you guys wish. I've seen it go on his site. You've got to see his work. He does fabulous work.